Hello everyone, welcome to the Plant Biodiversity series. In this video, we'll be looking at a question from the Eastern Cape June 2024 Provincial exam. This question is worth 10 marks and we will be looking at Bryophytes, Pteridophytes, Gymnosperms and Angiosperms. Question 2.1 gives us a diagram showing a phylogenetic tree of plants and their algal ancestors. I would like you to please pause the video and then answer the questions. Thereafter, we will go through the answers. Question 2.1.1 says, state the most important adaptations that evolved at positions labeled A and B. So the first feature that evolved was the presence of vascular tissue, also known as conducting tissue. When we say vascular tissue, we are referring to xylem and phloem. Xylem is the tissue that transports water. Phloem is the tissue that transports food. Phloem starts with an F sound, and so does the word food. At label B, we see the evolution of seeds, hence why the words gymnosperm and angiosperm end with the word sperm, which is translated to seed. Gymnosperm means naked seed. Angiosperm means covered seed. Question 2.1.2 says, name the division of plants that is represented as non-vascular plants in the diagram. Those would be the bryophytes. We only see vascular tissue evolving from pteridophytes onwards. Bryophytes are very primitive plants and do not have xylem and phloem. 2.1.3, explain why the seedless vascular plants can grow taller than the non-vascular plants. So seedless vascular plants is referring to pteridophytes and non-vascular plants is referring to xylem. So the reason why they can grow taller is because, mark number 1, they have vascular tissue. Mark number 2, you can also say that this means they have xylem and phloem. But that doesn't answer the question. We have to say why it is that this vascular tissue allows them to grow taller. The xylem allows these plants to transport water from the roots through to the entire plant, and the phloem allows the plant to transport nutrients or to absorb nutrients. And this allows them then to be stronger and to have support and finally to grow taller. So for this question, you cannot simply say that they have vascular tissue. You have to say what the vascular tissue is and state how each vascular tissue allows the plant to grow taller. Give the collective name for all seed-bearing plants. So gymnosperms and angiosperms are collectively known as spermatophytes. Sperm meaning seed, phyte meaning plant, so seed plants. 2.1.5, in what way are the seeds of gymnosperms different to the seeds of angiosperms? Gymnosperm seeds are naked or they're exposed in a cone, and angiosperm seeds are enclosed in an ovary or a fruit. So you can simply say gymnosperm seeds are naked, angiosperm seeds are covered. 2.1.2 2.1.6, explain why gymnosperms do not depend on water for fertilization. So mark number 1, they produce pollen. Mark number 2, this pollen is carried by the wind to female plants. So you have to mention the dispersal of pollen and you have to say that they rely on wind pollination. So I'd like you to go through your questions, count how many you got right, and give yourself a mark out of 10. Thank you very much.